Hello dear students, today we are going to learn Geography, lesson number 5, Winds. Let's see the definition of wind. The movement of air is called wind. Can we see wind? No. We feel the wind but cannot see it. Let's see generation of wind. The air pressure is not uniform across the earth's surface, means the air pressure is not same at all on the earth. It is different. Somewhere it is low pressure, somewhere it is high pressure. Okay, like that. Let's see figure 5.2, change in direction of winds. Orange line is about original direction of air from high pressure to low pressure, and little bit curve blue line is about changed direction because of rotation. As you all know, 0 degree is equator, 30 degree north is Tropic of Cancer, 30 degree south is Tropic of Capricorn. Means you will find high pressure on equatorial area. In this way, air moves from high pressure areas toward low pressure areas in horizontal manner. Winds are generated due to this horizontal movement of air. Let's see velocity of wind. Velocity means what? The speed. First, the extent of difference in the air pressure affects the velocity of the wind. Means the size of air pressure affect speed of the wind. Next, if there is a less difference in the air pressure, wind blow with less velocity. Means less pressure, less speed. Next, if there is a more difference, means if there is a high pressure, wind blow with high speed. Next, the wind velocity means wind speed is measured in knots or kilometers per hour. Next, rotation of the earth and the direction of winds. The direction of winds is influenced. Influenced means effect by the rotation of the earth. Let's see types of winds. First, planetary winds. Second, local winds. And third, seasonal winds. Mostly, winds are known by their direction which they move or by the region in which they move. Let's see planetary winds. The winds that blow means the winds that move regularly on the earth from high to low pressure belts throughout the year are called planetary winds. These winds cover a large portion of the earth. For example, the eastalage. Eastalage means wind blowing from the east. The westalage means wind blowing from west, and the polar winds. In both the hemisphere, the winds that blow from mid-latitudinal high pressure belt between 25 degree and 35 degree parallels to the equatorial low pressure belt between 0 degree and 5 degree parallels are called eastalize. In both the hemisphere, the winds that blow from the mid-latitudinal high pressure belt between 25 degree and 35 degree parallels to the subpolar low pressure belt between 55 degree and 65 parallels are called westalage. In both the hemisphere, the winds that blow from polar high pressure belt between 80° and 90° parallels to the subpolar low pressure belt between 55° and 65° parallels are called polar winds. Next, local winds. The winds that blow from short duration of time originate in specific region and blow over limited area are called local winds. These winds are known by different local names in different region where they blow. The winds that blow from valley towards the mountain during the day after sun are called valley breeze. The wind that blow from the mountain toward the valley at night after sunset are called mountain breeze. The wind that blow from the sea to the land during the day are called sea breeze. The wind that blow from the land to the sea at night are called land breeze. Different area of local winds have different name. For example, Lu, Simom, Chinook means snow water, Mistral, Bora, Pampero and Fuhan, etc. Next, seasonal winds means monsoon. Monsoon winds are generated due to uneven heating of land and water in the different seasons. Southeast Asia included India, East Africa, North Australia. Here you will find this kind of seasonal winds. The influence of monsoon, influence means effect of monsoon winds is seen in the summer and winter season in the Indian subcontinent. Due to these winds, the Indian subcontinent experiences three seasons. First, monsoon means rainy season, summer and winter season. Next, monsoon winds are in fact sea and land breezes blowing on the large scale. Next, cyclones. Cyclonic conditions are created when a low pressure area is surrounded by high pressure area. On the weather maps, the center of cyclone is represented by the letter L. A cyclone system moves from one place to another place. Cyclones are also known as storms or cyclonic storms. Cyclones occurring in the western part of Pacific Ocean along the coastal of Japan, China, Philippines, etc. are known as typhoons. The cyclone in Siberian Sea are known as hurricanes. Cyclones also originate in the temperature zone, but they are not so powerful and hence are not destructive. Next, anticyclones. Anticyclonic conditions are created when a high pressure area is surrounded by low pressure areas. In such situation, winds blow from the center towards the surrounding area in circular manner. On the weather maps, the center of anticyclone is represented by the letter H. Hope you understood our fifth lesson. Thank you.